Alright YouTube, after that exciting CSX G613 that went northbound here on the Portsmouth sub, now we have yet another northbound on the Portsmouth sub. I don't know the symbol for this train. I'm guessing it's F767 transfer or it's Q130. I don't know. Hold on, just bear with me please. Thanks. And we have a CSX ES44AH on the point. He only runs about 40 miles an hour on this line. He's pretty slow. Yep. See, he's already given horn shows to everybody down that side of the tracks. Yeah, blow that horn, baby. I love that. Yep, ES44AH 3044. Thanks, buddy. 3044 and AC 4400 number 11. All right. With CSX Q130. All right. Woo! Look at that running elephant style. I love it. Check. Okay, I'll check it out. See? I could not catch the symbol real good, but I think he said Q130. I just couldn't catch it. He said medium approach to the CWY connection northbound track. Yeah, this is sort of looking like Q130. That wheel's squeaking right there, man. He needs some oil on that wheel. Baby's full. I love it. Florida East Coast. Whoa! Whew. Guy must have put a little bit of throttle on the train and made the car jerk back. CP rail car. Let's see what else we got here. Here's this Q130 26 on CSX 3044, medium clear, CWY connection, northbound track. Man, this train is full. This is really good business for the container business and for us and the port as well, and CSX. For you guys who are wondering, the container business is up. You see a lot of these trains hauling these big containers. That's cargo that is going to your local stores. All right, he just cleared CP Murray. That's the next signal. Man, how much more of this train do I have to go? Woo! Oh! A little bit more tension, man. This guy's really wanting to move along. He's moving about a good 15 miles an hour, because the reason he slows down is because he approaches the switch for the short line. And the speed limit on that switch is about 5 to 10 miles an hour only, to prevent the train from derailing. Just spin the camera around. I'll show you how far he's gone up. And this has got to be over at least 10,000 feet of train. You hear his brakes. Brakes. A nice long blast of the brakes that you just heard. He's applying his brakes to go onto the short line. Then later on down the track, he will switch crews, and the train will proceed with the short line crew down to the port. Y'all enjoying it so far?
Yeah.
He blew the horn at me. Yeah. Even the one before blew the horn at me, and he started like down there. I'm like, thank you very much.
And how did y'all get so lucky? It's 3 trains already since we've been here.
Okay, I've only seen 2 of them.
3 of them. I mean, this is crazy.
Yes. Somebody told me that this line here has really picked up, and by the end of this year, early next year, we'll be seeing double stacks on this line.
Wow.
They're going to allow the double stacks to run on the Portsmouth sub, and this is a good move for CSX.
wide. They got the bridges and all. They got to get these up.
Tunnels have to be wide, and they also have to be raised to allow the clearance for the auto racks and the double stacks just to go through it. I think this is the train I'm thinking of. I think this is Q130. If y'all are wondering, a lot of these containers are globally based, like Mediterranean shipping, that's based over in Asia, and Maersk is based right here in America. P&O Deloitte, the next container down, that's based in England. Well, here, YouTubers, here comes the end of the train.
In the train, you gonna lay that out to it?
And here comes the final container of this northbound. Well, there you go. Yep, that's Q130. He's got the EOTD on the back of it. Well, there you have it, YouTube. CSX Q130 26 heading north with CSX ES44H 3044 and AC 4400 number 11. That's one of the several double-digit AC 4400s I have seen on this line. And on the previous train, a Dash 9 was on the train, so the Dash 9s are coming back to service on CSX. Anyway, there goes Q130 down to the port. Thanks for watching.